Hello there, welcome to you all. I am Sudipto.
Hello everyone, this is Khairul. Our project name is Bangladesh 71.
And our project is based on climate change. So, without wasting time, let's dive into our project. We have collected a huge data set about climate changes. According to whose data, in the whole world, about 150,000 people dies every year for climate change. It's a huge number for the whole world. We are from Bangladesh. The coastal area of Bangladesh are very risky to live in as natural calamities and climate changes occur very rapidly and quickly. Moreover, climate change is a common phenomenon in Bangladesh. But we have came to the solution with our robot Bangladesh 71. Our robot can handle 3 stages of climate changes: before climate changes, the time of climate changes, and the after effects of climate changes. Before climate changes, our robot works like as a weather station in coastal area where people have no enough knowledge about climate changes. Our robot can work by its own and can alert the people about the current status of environment. When natural calamities occurs, our robot is fully capable of work by its own and can alert the villagers about the current climate changes. Our robot can also make sound of siren and loud voice to tell the villagers where they should go, where they not should go. But the after effects of natural calamities are beyond description. In that time, our 8-wheel robot can supply medical emergencies and equipment automatically. It's impossible for us to prevent climate changes, but with our technology, we can save human life. Here is the basic figure of our robot. And this is the actual block diagram of our working robot. And here is the circuit diagram. Thus, implementing our technology, we can save human life. Thank you all.